In this video, I'll show you an ultra-realistic graphics mod for GTA San Andreas that runs smoothly on low-end PCs with just 2 GB RAM. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the graphics mod and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right click on the game on the desktop and select Open File Location. Before doing this mod, back up your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open the mod folder, drag and drop all these files inside. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back. This is optional. Open the presets. Depends on your PC spec. Choose this folder. Drag and drop all these files inside. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back and open the exe. Drag and drop this exe inside of a game folder. And then just close stuff here. Scroll down. Right click on this GTA-sa.exe and select delete option. And now right click on the GTA underscore SA and select rename. Change this underscore to hyphen. After done, right click on the startup underscore SP and select edit in notepad. Scroll down, change this GTA underscore to hyphen and select file and select save option. Once this done, right click on the startup underscore SP and select run as administrator and select run option. Yes, wait for the game to launch. I will add before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.